You can program it for other things. You can program it for what you want. So if you do want more wealth, or you want the romance, or you want the health, or you want the house, you follow the same principles that have been used to keep you surviving, but you use it for these things that you would like to have, do, or be in your life.
What is your ultimate goal? Is it mastering a particular skill, getting a certain job, starting a business model, making a certain amount of money? As long as it's a goal and the only thing here is to achieve it, then you have no excuses. Here is the secret to help you achieve your goal faster. Now you need to attach an emotional reasoning for your goal. Let's say your goal is to make $1 million. That's cool, but wait. Take yourself on a deeper level by attaching a why. The why may be you want to make $1 million so you can give your parents the lives they deserve, help the less privileged, or you want to make $1 million so you can have the freedom you desire and not to worry about money anymore. So you don't have to work on the stressful job you hate. Then at this point, you have to get really honest with yourself about the deeper why behind the goal. This deeper why is what will keep you going even when motivation fades and nothing seems to be working. Have a graphic representation of your ultimate goal, not just to think it, but also to communicate it to your subconscious mind. Not a day should go by you don't think about your ultimate goal and the visual image of it, because that's what will get you up in the morning and keep you going. Here's the last masterpiece you have to know. Now, if you want to achieve your ultimate goal faster, identify which things contribute the most, eliminate and focus on the main things to achieving it. Being limitless is about working smarter on the really important things that move you closer to your ultimate goal faster. If you want to really get rich, watch this video, like, subscribe to this community, and I will be in the comment section waiting for you. You got this.